Konnichiwa! Hello, my name is Miki and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be creating this fall look and we're going to be using one single palette, and that is the Bad Habit Inferno palette. This is from the app Hush. If you have not heard of it, I will leave everything in the description box below. I've also done an unboxing, which I will leave in the eye up here if you guys want to check it out. This is probably one of my absolute favorite palettes, especially for the fall, because look at these colors. These colors are absolutely beautiful, and these are the types of colors that I love to use during the fall winter months because I don't know, it's just so warm and cozy. Of course, if you don't have this palette, you can go ahead and use similar colors. You don't have to have the exact same palette to create this look. So if you guys are interested in my fall look, then just stay tuned. All right, so if you couldn't tell, I already did my brows and kind of carved them out. I don't like my eyebrow area to be white compared to like my foundation, so I just used foundation. Today I'm going to be using the Inferno palette from Bad Habit. Of course, I will leave everything that I've used in the description box below. This is from the website Hush. If you haven't heard of it, it's an app that you can download, and there is a lot of affordable things that you can get on there. Now I've already primed my lids, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. First, I'm just gonna take a shader brush and I'm gonna go into this color Hot Spot. We're going to place that all over the lid. I absolutely love these eyeshadows from Bad Habit because not only are they super affordable, but they're actually really pigmented and they blend amazingly. If this palette is still being sold, which I believe it is around $12. So if you want a nice, affordable fall palette, this would definitely be the guy to kind of check into. Now that I have that color on my lid, which is very minimal amount because my lids are so freaking tiny, I am going to take a blending brush, and this is Makeup of the Day Blending Bestie. I'm going to take this shade Warmth and we're gonna blend that above Hot Spot. Because I don't have a crease, I'm just going to go right above that Hot Spot color, and I'm not gonna bring it up too far because I don't want to look like I have raccoon eyes. After you've blended out the Warmth color, I'm going to take this Baked color right here, and it's a very light taupe brown. I'm just going to take another shader brush. This is Miss Shady Lady from Makeup of the Day Cosmetics. And I'm just going to take that Baked color and I'm going to go right above that Warmth color to kind of blend everything in. Now that you have that taupey color blended out, I'm just going to take the same brush and I'm going to go into this very dark brown color here called Smolder. I'm going to put this in the outer corner area onto the lid, a little bit on the crease or the hood of my eye. I'm actually going to go ahead and cut the front area of my crease, and I will be right back. All right, so I got my crease cut out, because again, I don't have one. I want you guys to see just how different my eye shape is and my eye size. Like, look at this. I have so much more crease over here on this side than over here because my lid over here is smaller, my hood over here is smaller, over here everything's a lot bigger. So I know it looks uneven, but once we put some liner and some lashes, it's all gonna come together, so don't worry. But now that we have the concealer on, I'm gonna take this beautiful bronze color here called Lit, and I'm actually going to take this on my finger. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm just going to pack it on top of the concealer. For the hard to reach places, I'm just going to use my Sigma brush. This is the cream color E58. I'm actually going to take a little bit of setting spray. This is my Pearlescence Coconut Rose Water. Spritz the brush. And I'm going to go back into Lit and see if we can get a lot more. Ooh, yes, we can get a lot more pigment. That looks so pretty, look at it. After you have that blended out, go ahead and take a shader brush, and I'm gonna take this color Burn, and I'm going to just lightly blend the edges out of where the glitter kind of ends and the matte shadow begins. So we kind of want to just pat that on, blend that so it kind of has like a gradient from the shimmer to the matte. This way it doesn't look like the shimmer kind of like just stopped. You want everything to kind of just blend in together. I'm just going to take a little smudge brush and I'm going to go into White Hot, and I'm just going to trace the brow bone. Alright, so that's it for the top of the eyes, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face so we can go ahead and start with the bottom lashes. So I decided not to put on eyeliner just because I'm not a big fan of eyeliner, and I always feel like I don't have enough space for eyeliner, which is why I don't normally wear it. But I went ahead and put some falsies on. I have some bold face lashes on, and these are Eyes Are For Winking, and I absolutely love just how fluffy these are. There's like a little teeny tiny flare here at the end, which I really like, especially with how smoky the ends of my lids are. For my face, I primed my face with the Too Faced Hangover, and I have never used this. This is my first time using this, and let me just say, okay, this thing is amazing. I did not think that my face would feel so hydrated and smooth and just plump and just brand new, I guess you could say. Like, I really love this. I feel like my skin is doing very, very good, actually. So I cannot wait to keep using this. For my foundation, I know this is like not a very popular foundation. The shade range completely freaking sucks. I actually have the Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. I got this recently while it was on sale at Ulta. Now, this shade is porcelain, and I don't know, it turned out to be like the exact shade match. When I first put it on my face, it was like really, really yellow. But this is my first time using this as well, and I have to say, my skin looks amazing. Like, I love this so far. I'm hoping that because this is a hydrating foundation, it won't stick to my dry patches once we get more into winter and the drier seasons. For the under eye, I went with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I went ahead and set my face with the No. 7 Perfect Light Pressed Powder. This is one of my favorite powders of all time. And I did a little bit of contour slash bronzing with the Milani Bronzer XL All Over Glow. And for my blush, I absolutely love this blush. This is my favorite blush for the fall time. It is the Milani Powder Blush in Romantic Rose. For my highlight, I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks like I kind of bronze like where you would normally put the highlighter area, but I didn't. I used a shade from the Makeup Revolution Radiance palette, and I used a color that I normally don't use, which is this bronzy color on the end right here, and I mixed this one with this, and it gave me kind of like a little bit of a bronzy shine, so I went ahead and put this on top of it because I don't really like that bronzy shine, but it actually turned out really, really pretty, and I'm really liking it. I think that's all I've used so far, so let's go ahead and start with the under eye. For the under eye, I'm just gonna make it really quick and simple. I'm just gonna take a simple smudge brush, and I'm gonna go into this color Bonfire here, and I'm just going to pack that onto the bottom lash line. Now that I have that blended out, I'm going to take a little bit more of a thicker smudge brush, and I'm going to go into the color Burn right here. I'm going to put that right on like 1/3 of my lower lash. Now that I have that color blended out, I'm just going to take like a flat brush like this. I'm going to go into the color Lit that we placed on the cut crease. I'm only going to put the shimmer shade on 1/3 of my bottom lash line. Bring it up to the tear duct area. The last thing I'm going to do is just take a pencil brush, and I'm going to take this color White Hot, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner to give just a little bit of shine. So now I'm just going to be putting some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm going to be using the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Right, and lastly, the lips. So I am debating between these two. I have the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Frickin' Frack, and I have the Bad Habit Liquefied Matte Lipstick in Centerpiece. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these so you guys can see. Ooh, look at that color. I love it. And then here is Frickin' Frack. So they're similar, but they're not. I'm not really too sure. I think I'm going to go ahead with the Bad Habit in Centerpiece. Now, I reviewed this in one of my videos before, and I absolutely love it. I thought it was going to be one of those lipsticks that like really, really dry your lips out, but surprisingly, this does not do that. Alright, I think I picked the right color because I feel like this goes really, really good with the eyes. So this is my version of a fall look. I absolutely love this. I really hope you guys enjoyed me creating this look. Now, of course, you don't have to use the same palette that I use. There are so many palettes out there that look like this, that have so many warm tone browns and oranges. So you can get virtually any type of palette. But again, this is something that's very, very affordable if you guys want to try it out. Everything will be linked in the description box below. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click that big red button that says subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you actually know when I post my videos. And as always, if you have any tips, tricks, questions, comments, or if you simply want to talk shit, leave it all in the comment section below. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!